What's good, folks? Well, we're here today for another product review. This time around, we're going to fix the wife's headlights because they suck. Just like most of you guys experience with Lexus and like Nissan, you know, the fog and the, what is it called? Oxidization or whatever. It's ridiculous. So this is it. This is what we're going to use. Complete car kit. And see, this one is made so that you don't have to use a drill. So we're going to see how this goes. And eventually my assistant will show up. She's over there putting lotion on her ashy ass feet. So there she goes. She's somewhere back there. Look, see? Little nose ass. Yeah, she disappeared. Anyway, this is it. Let's get started, man. 1, 2, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Clear headlights, babe. You're good to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's all it needed.
Man's coming out here every morning washing this drink. Before you go to work.
What you getting ready to do with them gloves? Would this go faster if it was a team effort? Dang.
You will notice the wipes becoming yellow. This is the oxidation being extracted in one of the most satisfying steps in the
So that's
process.
dirt?
Oh yeah.
Improvise. Now you really about to get wet. You're so talented, babe.
That's how you improvise. Alright, so that's that step. Now, step 2. Fasten the red disc to the surface prep pad. Be careful not to sand the paint or surrounding areas. In some cases, it may be necessary to remove the surface prep disc from the surface prep pad to get into hard to reach areas. Extra effort on this step will give you the best possible result. You know what that means.
Extra pressure.
Yeah.
How many of those do we have?
2. One of these.
Oh, okay.
Wet the headlight lens and surface prep disc with water. A squirt bottle works well. And scrub the entire lens in a uniform, non-circular motion for approximately 2 to 3 minutes.
Oh, gosh.
What?
You gotta do that for
2 to 3 minutes?
This step will give you the best possible results. When you're finished with the brake disc, rinse the headlights with your malfunction. The light is applied every direction.
Fasten the gray disc to the surface prep pad and repeat the previous process. She's already done that. She's rinsing now. I will rinse my side.
Oh, look, it's like a cup holder right there.
There you go.
Just to think, this whole thing is someone trying this out, like in their garage or something, and then them patenting it or whatever.
Right.
And then here we go.
Squeezing the mess out of this little yellow ball. Ball.
All right. Oh, shit. Damn. I'm sorry, babe. When I was sitting like, it just went like that.
She forgets that she has to go too.
I know.
What's my time looking like over there now?
Oh, shoot. You got 1 more minute, babe.
One?
You got another minute. 59, 58, 57.
Yeah, mosquitoes. Serious.
45 mark.
Damn.
Right? 15 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I get the water bottle.
Yeah.
I know.
Damn it.
You get on my nerves. Stop, babe.
Here.
I knew you were about to do it. I knew you were about to do it. You fell. Put it down. Put it in my holder. Put it in my cup holder. That's not my cup holder. It is my cup holder.
You sprayed the pad too?
No.
3 minutes left, babe.
Stop. Hey, I should at least be at the 2-minute mark, it feel like.
Put it in. 1 minute.
Yay.
25 seconds.
Ooh.
Almost there. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo. Dang. What goes after that?
All right, man, that's the final step. This is the most important step because they say you got to be more careful with this part. So, put your gloves on. Final step. Step 3. And as you can see, it says only apply a single coat. So that's what we're gonna do. All right. She's over there, I'm over here. We gotta do this horizontally 1 time across, come back around and do a 50% overlay.
Babe, this is really strong. Should I leave it open like this? Should I leave it closed? Don't smell it.
I would close it because,
Like this?
yeah,
Okay.
because you wanna come back across with the
Okay.
50%. Good, do your thing. That is right. Y'all saw how fast she went? You telling me right now that she got everything over there? She's like, yeah, I did. Speedy Gonzalez. Speedy Gonzalez. Speedy Gonzalez.
You want me to do it again?
No. Only apply 1 coat. Alright. Well, that's it.
Like, that's it.
As y'all can see, no, matter of fact, let's take a look at hers.
Oh my gosh.
She did a great job. So this is what she looks like right now. So we're supposed to wait 60 minutes before we return, and then this should be completely done. We'll go ahead and set the clock on our end, and yeah.
We did a good job, babe. We're such a great team.
We're a great team. She kissed the saltiest part of
I
our body.
know.
Well, not the saltiest, but
No.
you got 60 minutes. All I need is 3.
You get on my nerves.
All right, good people. We'll catch y'all in 60 minutes. Didn't turn out too bad. It's a little bit on there, but ain't nothing too bad. I'm not gonna show the other one because we're currently trying to change the light bulb.
Still on that fast motion stuff?
No.
Oh, okay. I just trying to help you out, babe.
Good looking out. I appreciate you. Joe